Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy mason jar cozy, so keep on watching. Well, you are going to need some Bernat homemaker. If you don't have this yarn, you can try using 2 strands of cotton and an 8mm crochet hook. You're also going to need a yarn needle and a stitch marker because we are going to be working in the round without slip stitching. So to start, we are going to make our magic circle and then chain 1. Now we are going to make 10 extended single crochets into our magic circle. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook, and that is how you make an extended single crochet. Okay, so make 10 of those and I will see you back. Alright guys, here I have my 10 extended single crochets, and I'm going to pull on that strand here to close my circle. Okay, so instead of slip stitching to this first extended single crochet, I'm going to make an increase. So you make 2 extended single crochets in that same stitch. Okay, and in this first stitch that I just made, I'm going to insert my stitch marker, and that's going to indicate the starting of my second round. And here I just made my other extended single crochet. Okay, so here's my first stitch. And now to the next, we are going to make another increase. So make 2 extended single crochets. And you probably guessed, we are going to make 2 extended single crochets in this next stitch as well. And basically, that's what's going to happen all the way around. You will be making an increase in each stitch until you get to the end of this stitch here. Here I'm at the end of my second round, and you should have a total of 20 stitches. So from now on, the increases, we are done with our increases. So I'm going to take my stitch marker off, and in that stitch where my stitch marker was on, I'm going to make 1 extended single crochet, and then I'm going to place that stitch marker in that first stitch that I just made, and that's going to indicate my the beginning of my third round. So now we are going to make 1 extended single crochet in every stitch around. All right, so just do that all the way around. Okay, so here's my last stitch of my third round. And if you guys turn this around, this is going to be the wrong side of our project here. And then this is the right side. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to start on my 4th round. And remember, every time you start a new round, like here, I'm going to take my stitch marker off, make one extended single crochet, and then in that single crochet, that first single crochet that you make, you're going to replace that stitch marker, so it helps you identify which round you are on. So this is the 4th round. Okay, so from now on, all you're going to do is continue working in the round, making one extended single crochet in each stitch until you have a total of, I believe, 9 rounds. But if you want to keep making it taller or shorter, make as many rounds as you desire for your mason jar. But I made 9 rounds. Okay, so repeat the same process until you have 9 rounds made. Okay, and I will see you back when you finish. And here is my cozy finished. I actually turned mine inside out because I like how the wrong side looks like. And this is the right side. So when you get to your last stitch, you are going to make a single crochet on that next stitch, and then a slip stitch on that next stitch, and that just makes your cozy look a little bit even, just so it doesn't look so crooked. Because when you're working in the round, sometimes your pieces can look a little uneven. So remember, this is the right side, and I'm going to turn mine inside out because I just like the look of the extended single crochet in the round when it's the wrong side. But it's up to you. You can leave it in the right side or the wrong side. It really doesn't matter, so it's whatever you prefer. So now I'm just going to grab my yarn needle and weave my ends. And as you can see, the top of my cozy still looks a little bit uneven, so I'm gonna grab my yarn needle and insert it in that stitch next right here, and I'm gonna insert my needle and just pull, and that kind of fixes that. Oops, I just took that out. So grab that and place it in that stitch and pull, and then just weave in your ends wherever you can, so you hide that. And if you guys have those leather tags that you can put on your cozies, you can actually place it right here so that it's not so noticeable, the seaming here. Okay, and also don't forget to weave this bottom part. Don't forget to pull it to close and then weave this end here. So since I'm using the wrong side, I don't know guys, I just like the way the wrong side looks. And then you grab your mason jar. I don't remember how many ounces this is, but I'll leave it here in the description. So I just grab it, so pretend that's weaved in. Just grab my jar and put my cozy on. Right now, the Vernat Maker yarn, it's a little hard to find. So if you can't find it anywhere, I suggest maybe using 2 strands of cotton and trying this out and see how that works. If not, I'll leave another yarn that was suggested to me on Instagram by you guys. So I will leave the links below. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy. I hope you make lots of these. Really helpful when you have cold drinks, cold iced coffee, lemonade. I don't know, I just think they are such a fun and quick project to make. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.